Welcome to CJY Money
Wash them
Entertainment.
really well. To stand my pears up, I'm going to cut them off on the sides. I like to get ahead and cut my pears first, and then I'm going to get ahead and peel them. The reason why I do that is because if there's any brown spots like here, and I can cut that off. Brown spots. And then I peels them. So it's much easier for me to handle and slice them to get ready for the wash. Now, like I said, this is the dry method, but if you want to do the wet method, then you're going to do the same thing here, but you're going to put them on the stove and you're going to blanch them. But I am not going to go through that method because it's a longer method and I like to do things quick and easy. So that's all I'm going to do. We're all in pears right here. I'm going to get ahead, cut them up. Pears doesn't have much flavor. That's why they do the wet wash, because it adds sugar. I'm trying not to add that sugar. So here we go. You're going to put them in this wash. This wash is 4 cups of water to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. The purpose of this wash is so they don't get brown. You're going to keep them in here for about 8 minutes, and then you're going to place them on a cookie sheet that's lined with parchment paper. Okay, you may want to tilt the tray on an angle to make sure all of this water is out. You don't want the least possible water pour out. They are lined up, and I'm going to throw these in the freezer. You're going to freeze it for 6 to 24 hours. Now don't forget, when you use the bag, date the bag. Okay, these are them bagged up, freeze. I'm going to date them. They're good for 6 months. This is what happens if they're after 6 months. They become brown and soggy, and you have to throw them out. Throw them likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Reddit,